may still be traditional for the man to take the first move and court his fair princess. It might be ballsy, brave, and attractive to be able to approach a hot chick and chat her up. Nevertheless, getting your girl to chase you remains an essential step in any courtship. Women love the thrill of the chase just as much as men. This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to make a girl obsessed with you. Getting a girl to pay attention and like you can be hard enough. Becoming her obsession is even trickier. To make a girl become obsessed with you, get into her brain and her heart by being her hero, minding her looks, making her laugh, and making her feel special. You'll need to tailor your efforts to the girl in question, but keeping these basic principles in mind should give you an idea of where to start. So without further ado, let's start with the first one. Be her hero. Whenever she's in trouble or worried about something, don't just sit there with her. Acknowledge that you don't have all the answers and that she may not know exactly what she's going through, but try to help make the situation better for her. Ask her how you can help, but don't insist that she let you. Be patient with anything she goes through and be supportive. When you can make a difference, do so without hesitation, but also cautiously as you don't want to hurt her in any way. If she likes you already, do something that she'd never expect you to do, like cooking her breakfast and then doing the dishes, and she'll fall even harder for you. You're showing her what you're made of. If she doesn't like you yet, or you don't know how she feels about it, play it cool. Be calm. If you're the kind of guy who gets sweaty and stutters his words when he's around a girl, then just calm down. Think of her as just your friend who happens to look different. If you can't calm down, no sweat. Girls think it's adorable when guys trip over themselves. You'll make her laugh in a good way. Before we move on to the next how to make a girl obsessed with you, please like this video, smash the subscribe button, and click the notification bell right now. Or else, you'll fail trying to make a girl obsessed with you. Moving on, don't fly too deep into the friend zone. Be friendly with her without always being available. Girls love guys who are a bit mysterious, so try to cultivate a bit of mystery and don't always pick up the phone. Let on where you're going, etc. Be honest but not always totally upfront. Pay attention to how you look. Your guy friends probably didn't care that you walked around in the same clothes you mowed the lawn in, but the girl of your dreams probably won't be very impressed. Here are 3 simple things you can start doing right away that'll help. Shower and shave every day. If you're not yet old enough to shave, don't sweat it. You should be soon. Smell nice and look clean by showering or bathing regularly. Wear clothes that actually fit, not your older brother's clothes. Not your dad's clothes. Wear your own clothes and ones that flatter your figure. It doesn't matter how much money you have. Every guy needs a good pair of jeans, a fitting t-shirt, a simple but elegant collared shirt, and shoes to fit the occasion. Get in shape. Lose that excess flab if you can and turn it into muscle. Most girls like guys who have developed muscles that aren't so chiseled. They're intimidating. Find an intramural sports league that you're interested in and go for it. You might even be able to impress your lady with your skills. Be charming. You must at least have some kind of charm to appeal to a woman. Most men are charming in a couple of different ways, but here are some charming ideas to think about. Be a gentleman. This means opening doors, paying for a date, keeping your word, etc. Girls love to feel like a gentleman cares about them. Be witty. Girls love guys who are great conversationalists who can turn anything into a joke. Learn how to elegantly make fun of yourself. Be intelligent. You should do your best to be well-read, informed about current affairs, and curious. Women like men who are smart but still relatable. Be reliable. Every girl wants a guy who at the end of the day is reliable. Dependable not because he has to be, but because he wants to be. Being reliable is all about telling a girl that she has security with you. Try to be the most reliable guy you know. Do what you say you're going to do. If you talk the talk, walk the walk. Girls don't like guys who say they're going to do something and never follow through with it. Be punctual. Even though some girls are late to dates, a girl hates it when she has to wait on a guy. To her it says, I don't care enough about you to be on time. If you're going to be late, let her know. Have a good reputation. Be the guy that other guys want to vouch for. You never know whether she or one of her friends could ask around about you, and if she hears how you cheated on your ex-girlfriend, your reputation is shot and you'll have to rebuild it. Try to be funny. This gives the girl a reason to relax. A person is more responsive and receptive when relaxed. This is similar to being witty, but with higher importance. It helps you connect with her emotionally, intellectually. She should enjoy your company and not be bored. Don't be too pushy. It's a turnoff when you're always around her and touching her and flirting obnoxiously with her when she's not interested and has never shown any interest at all. Learn to give her the control, even if it's the only illusion of control. If a girl doesn't want to make out, for example, or have sex, don't try to force it out of her. That's not the way to get her obsessed with you. Instead, listen to her wishes, understand why she has them, and respect them. You will get more bees with honey than you will with vinegar. Have financial independence. Most women don't care how much you make or who your parents are, so long as you can provide for them. That's nice because most men aren't blessed with wealth. Remember these things about money around women. Women, like men, want to be spoiled some of the time. It doesn't have to be extravagant, but they like to be spoiled. Save enough money so that you can spoil her every once in a while. Most women don't like men who flaunt their money. If you have money, don't flaunt it because you just might scare her away. Don't flirt with other girls too much. A girl might really like you, but if she sees you dancing or talking with another girl, that could be a deal breaker. Make sure she knows you're interested in only her. At the same time, have friends who are also girls. If you hang around friends who are also girls, she'll feel safer around you because other women are comfortable hanging out with you. If you never hang around any women, it could be a sign to her that you're illiterate when it comes to them. Sometimes women engage in a little competition just like men. Therefore, it's helpful to have other women around, provided you don't get involved or flirt with them. Compliment her. Give her some good old-fashioned compliments. Don't compliment her ability to do every little thing perfectly, or you'll seem too needy or obsessive yourself. But a well-placed compliment can make a girl remember you for days on end. Be sincere when you compliment. Figure out what you like about her best, what you think makes her most unique, and tell her. If it's the truth, it'll automatically come out as sincere. Reinforce how she views herself. If she thinks of herself as an athlete, reinforce her competitive spirit or athletic skill. If she thinks of herself as a thinker, praise her smarts. Whatever she thinks of herself as, compliment that aspect of her the most. Focus more on her personality than her appearance. If you have to get in a compliment about her appearance, stay away from the more feminine areas and stick to complimenting her smile, hair, eyes, lips, clothes like style, appearance, etc. It's easy to do these ideas, especially if you're doing it willingly with your heart and pure intention. How do you think these will help you make a girl obsessed with you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section down below. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.